So we've got a scatter diagram, and we've got a table showing the age and value of two other cars of the same type and make. So we're looking at cars and their value. So we've got a car here that's 1 year old and has a value of 8,200. Well, it's fairly easy to go up the 1 year old line. Just to make sure we put it in the right place for 8,200, we need to look at how many squares there are between 0 and 2,000. There's 10, so each square stands for 200. So we need to mark our point on the one line or one above, so just there, one above the square, the line that represents 8,000. So there's our first point. Second point, 3.5. Our 3.5 is going to be on the line here with 5,000. So 5,000 is halfway between 4,000 and 6,000. So we need it to be there. That is the point 3.5 and 5,000. So we'll mark that in now. Slightly off centre there. Let's just try that again. Now I'm doing this with my finger, so it's slightly hard, but there we are, I've marked it in. Right, now what kind of relationship do we see here for the second part of the question? Describe the relationship between the age and the value of the car. Well, as cars get older, they get cheaper. So I'll just write that on the board here if you like. Older cars. Older the car, the cheaper it is. Or you can say the newer it is, the more expensive it is. Doesn't really matter which way round. They're not really asking you for the correlation, though if you did state the correlation it would be negative correlation. So finally we're asked to estimate the value of a car that's 2.5 years old. So if we're 2.5 years old, we're going to come up the line in halfway between 2 and 3. We've got to lie roughly where the dots are, so I'm saying that at 2.5 years you're going to be £6,000. So the answer for the final part would be 6,000. They'll allow a little variation from that, a couple of £100 either way. So that's your answer.